So if you grind your teeth and you want to stop it, or it's always disturbing people at night, in my case, my teeth grinding used to disturb everybody around me. Until I came across these things on Amazon, it's like it's not there's no size, it's not custom made for anybody. Just wear it in your teeth at night. So I just wear both at my bottom and upper teeth, and then I sleep peacefully. My mouth doesn't close properly, but then it does the work. Instead of you grinding on your teeth, you grind on those stuff. Good.